Hey guys, this is a brand new channel. This is the channel Easy E Reaction. Today we're gonna react to a video called Baldi versus Big Bad Wolf by this person right here, Blue King Migs. Yeah, this guy is gonna be so good. You can see I can like and subscribe, and I'm not gonna do that because you already know what to do. Let's get into the video. Baldi and the rest of the gang. Yes, I play ball. Oh, playtime. No, playtime. No. Playtime. Wow. Oh. You need to know. No, come on. Come on. First time, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh. Again. You do not stand the chance. Oh my god, Baldi. Way back. This is Beans, run!
Worry, I'm so sorry. No bullying in the halls.
Okay.
Don't make me do this again.
Crazy oh my gosh. And well, come on, you got this, and you got this.
You just failed your final subject. Now all you need to do is...
And Mrs. Pomp, come on. Mrs. Pomp, you got it. Are you kidding me? Mrs. Pomp! I thought you were... Come on, Mrs. Pomp, I thought you would do it. Come on, no, you got this. You got the soda. Use it as a machine. Oh, yes. Come on, no, you got Baldi, yes. Baldi and No. We're two most powerful characters. Come on, first prize. Your crimes cannot be erased. Yes. You will suffer forever in the dark you make. Yes. Beans, why would you wait? And come on, no, you got this. Why can you not just snap your fingers and boom, it's on? Come on, no. Yes, please. That's what I'm talking about. And your soul will be mine. No says, I don't have one. Yes. I would leave here and stay. Come on. You cannot escape. Follow the West. Follow the West. Come on. Come on, sister. Come on. Come on, Baldi. You cannot. Come on, Baldi, OS. Or can I just call it OS? OS, come on. Baldi, OS, come on. Oh my god, Baldi. OS. Come on, you got this. Get the bitch in there. No. You. What? Come on. Just. Yes, Baldi. Yes. Come on. You got this. Yes. Oh, yes. Burn that wolf. Burn this wolf right here. Burn him. Cook him. Baldi and No wins. Yes. See, okay, that is the end of the video. See ya later. That was a good fight.